Welcome to Learn Smart. In this video, we will discuss India's first ever mission to study the Sun, scheduled to be launched in 2023. The Aditya-L1 mission is a space-based solar mission by the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO. The mission is named after Aditya, the Hindu god of the sun. The scientific objectives of the Aditya-L1 mission are two. 1. Understand the physics of the solar corona and its heating mechanism. The solar corona is the outermost layer of the Sun's atmosphere. It is millions of degrees hotter than the surface, but its exact heating mechanism is not fully understood. The Aditya-L1 mission will study the solar corona in multiple wavelengths to help us understand how it is heated. 2. Study the dynamics of the solar upper atmosphere, chromosphere and corona. The chromosphere and corona are constantly in motion. The Aditya-L1 mission will study these dynamics to help us understand how they affect the Sun's atmosphere and its impact on Earth. 3. Understand the drivers of space weather. Space weather is the condition of the space environment around Earth. It is caused by the Sun's activity, and it can have a significant impact on our planet. The Aditya-L1 mission will help us understand the drivers of space weather, so that we can better predict and mitigate its effects. 4. Observe the in-situ particle and plasma environment at the Lagrange point L1. The Lagrange point L1 is a gravitationally stable point between the Sun and Earth. The Aditya-L1 mission will observe the particle and plasma environment at this point, to help us understand how the Sun's activity affects the space environment around Earth. 5. Identify the sequence of processes that occur at multiple layers that cause solar eruptive events. Solar eruptive events, such as solar flares and coronal mass ejections, can have a significant impact on Earth. The Aditya-L1 mission will help us identify the sequence of processes that occur at multiple layers of the Sun's atmosphere that lead to these events. 6. Study the development, dynamics, and origin of coronal mass ejections, CMEs. CMEs are large expulsions of plasma and magnetic field from the Sun's corona. They can have a significant impact on Earth's atmosphere and space environment. The Aditya-L1 mission will study the development, dynamics, and origin of CMEs to help us better understand these events. 7. Study the magnetic field topology and magnetic field measurements in the solar corona. The Sun's magnetic field is constantly changing. This change can affect the Sun's activity, and it can also have a significant impact on Earth. The Aditya-L1 mission will study the magnetic field topology and magnetic field measurements in the solar corona to help us better understand these changes. The Aditya-L1 mission has several unique features, including 1. First Indian mission to study the Sun from a vantage point at the Lagrange point L1. The Lagrange point L1 is a gravitationally stable point between the Sun and Earth. This means that the Aditya-L1 spacecraft will be able to maintain a fixed position relative to the Sun and Earth, which will allow it to continuously observe the Sun without interruption. 2. The mission will carry a suite of cutting-edge instruments to study the Sun in multiple wavelengths, which helps to obtain new insights into the Sun's structure and dynamic. 3. The Aditya-L1 mission will have a long duration of 5.2 years, starting in 2013, which helps to collect a large amount of data and to make significant contributions to our understanding of the Sun. The Aditya-L1 mission is expected to provide significant benefits to India and mankind. Some of the benefits include 1. Improved understanding of the Sun and its role in space weather, which will help us to better predict and mitigate the effects of space weather events impacting us. 2. The Aditya-L1 mission is expected to lead to the development of new technologies for space exploration, which will be used in future missions to study the Sun and other celestial bodies. 3. The Aditya-L1 mission is expected to enhance our capabilities for forecasting space weather events. This will help us to protect satellites and astronauts from space hazards. 4. Increased understanding of the origins of the solar system. The Sun is the central star of our solar system, and its study can provide clues about how the solar system formed and evolved. 5. The Aditya-L1 mission is a major milestone in India's space program, which is expected to make significant contributions to our understanding of the Sun and its impact on Earth and space. The Aditya-L1 mission is a long-term mission, and it is expected to continue operating for several years. The exact end date of the mission has not yet been determined. That's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the Aditya-L1 mission. Please leave below your thoughts about the mission. Please like and share our videos, and do not forget to subscribe to learn smart. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.